Welcome to the D-RTK 3 tutorial series. This video will show you how to perform point stakeout using the D-RTK 3 rover station. First, ensure the stakeout environment meets RTK requirements. No obstructions, no strong interference, and a stable RTK fix. Then, confirm network RTK coverage and stable signal. In areas with weak or no signal, set up a D-RTK 3 base station for the rover to connect to. Ensure the D-RTK 3 and your phone are fully charged and properly connected. Before heading to the site, configure the coordinate system. If all stakeout points use projected coordinate systems, go to the Manage Coordinate System page and create the required system. To use an elevation reference, select a vertical coordinate system and import a reference TIFF file for elevation conversion. Use existing system and point pairs to calculate 4 or 7 parameter transformations. Go to Manage Coordinate System, create a custom coordinate system, and under Parameter Calculation, import a CSV file to calculate parameters or manually add points. Save the stakeout point coordinates as a CSV file in the following format and save it to your device. Upon arriving at the site, mount the D-RTK 3 on the survey pole and raise it to an appropriate height. Turn on the D-RTK 3 in your phone. Open the DJI Enterprise app and connect to the rover.
Bluetooth connected.
Set the RTK parameters. Then go to the device info page to confirm the status is normal and you have an RTK fix. Click Create Task. Select Point Stakeout and confirm. On the Create Task page, set parameters like task name, coordinate system, RTK source, coordinate format, and pole height. Click Next to create the stakeout task. In the task interface, click Add to input points via manual input or import CSV file. For manual input, set the point name, coordinate format, and coordinate data. Then click Done to finish adding. If you have a prepared CSV file, simply select it to import the point data. Once imported, click Done to enter the stakeout task. The interface displays satellites, RTK status, and accuracy information. The bottom panel shows D-RTK 3's distance to the target, including altitude difference, straight L distance, northward distance difference, eastward distance difference, forward distance, and rightward distance. Click the distance values to toggle between northeast or forward right orientations. By default, the system prompts the closest point. In the bottom info bar, you can switch points. In Settings, you can configure the stakeout sequence, prompt tone distance, point type, point name, convergence count, pole height, and coordinate format. The point list shows the status of current stakeout points and measured data. After confirming the point, follow the app's directional and audio prompts. To approach it, keep the survey pole vertical and steady. If Enable Tilt Survey is on, follow the app to finish IMU heading calibration. Once the point library is imported, the app automatically assigns the nearest point. Use the map or the top left distance indicator to approach it. As the survey pole nears the point, the app will sound an alert. According to the distance indicators, slowly move the tip of the survey pole to fine-tune the position. When the horizontal error is under 2 centimeters and remains stable for 3 to 5 seconds, you have reached the target. Ensure the pole bubble is centered and steady. Then click Add Point to confirm the stakeout. If using tilt survey, the pole doesn't need to be vertical, but it must be kept still. Once collected, the measurement is complete, and the point is marked as staked out. Next, follow project requirements and mark the physical location on site. This completes the operation. You can then proceed to the next point. After completing the task, check the point list to check the stakeout status and confirm all points are staked out. You can also review the measuring point data for any anomalies. When finished, go to the task library and click the task. Select View Task Report to check the results. Click Export to save the data in CSV or JSON format. That covers the Point Stakeout feature for the D-RTK 3. Thanks for watching.